You hear that? that donkey making noise at this time? So I feel like we exaggerate making chapatis. Chapatis doesn't need such kind of pressure. Currently the lights are not yet back, but we are going to use the phone light. So that is what we have. This is the goat soup. It's completely just boiled. I boiled it with an earthen pot, and I love the flavors it gives when boiled with an earthen pot. And then we have chapatis here, and then we have some cabbage over here. Yeah, this is a nice combo. So since the lights are not there, we're not going to do much. Let's just serve and eat. So we are done with dinner, and the lights are back. This is after maybe 30 minutes. I think 30 minutes are over after we had our meals. I have some kombucha that have been brewing for the actual brewing. I've been brewing it for a week, and then I flavored it. After flavoring, it took like 5 days. Yeah, so this is 5 days old. This is orange kombucha flavored with pure sweet orange. Then gave it 5 days. It's so much ready. You can see the bubbly and the soda like thing up there. And then we have mango, which happens to be my kids favorite lately. And then we also have mango again. I have apple, but I think it's almost finished. Let me see. Here is the apple. I think even the fermentation is past, but this is so good. It tastes like soda. So if you want to change some things in your home, just do kombucha, don't do soda. They are so good. I think one day I'll share the recipe of the fermentation. And then this has been fermenting the second time, I think for 5 days also. This is hibiscus. So I think whoever will want the flavor of hibiscus can take it. I actually love hibiscus too, apart from the apple. And then this is from yesterday. It's not yet ready. This is passion. Apparently passion is so good. You get the purple sweet passion, you don't get the bitter ones. And then you put the passion, some sugar for the second fermentation, which I will give it 5 days, and it will be ready in 5 days. Do you see that? It looks like soda, but it's not ready. And then this is orange. You can see this, the bubbling, yeah, fermentation is taking place. This is from yesterday. I'm going to give it 3-4 days. I've flavored it with extreme sweet orange. So I'm going to give this 5 days, and then we shall consume. So today we are not doing this. We are doing the ones that are ready, which is You hear that? It's ready. See the sizzling. See the sizzling. Yeah, it's more of like soda. I love it. Just replace most of your soft drinks with kombucha. You will love it. So I think I'm going to sieve it because you can't eat the oranges. Just throw them away. If you do your fermentation well, this is what you have. It's almost like soda, like you can't resist this. I want to show you what I'm currently working on. I'm brewing this. This is actually, yeah, I'm brewing green tea. So I made the tea from green tea, pure green tea, natural green tea. And we have the SCOBY here. I don't like opening my whatever when it's still on with the brewing. So this is what we have going. I'll check on this after 7 days, and then after that I'm going to work on what to flavor this green tea with. Honestly, since I started consuming a lot of kombucha, so many things have changed. The pains in my body are gone, my digestion is smooth, my, like, I don't know, if you know what kombucha is, you understand the hype. Yeah.